Today's video is a subscriber requested set, and it is for the TV show BoBoiBoy. In anticipation for this video, I did take some notes of the TV show and I did draw out a nail set. So this is a very fun video. So if you're interested to see how it turned out, then keep on watching. Welcome back to another video here on my channel. So I had never heard of this TV show BoBoiBoy when it was requested, and based off of my analytics, I'm kind of guessing that many of you probably have never heard of this show before because it is a Malaysian animated show. I was able to find the show right here on YouTube. You can find it on other streaming platforms if you just pay for the episodes, but you can find it right here on YouTube and you can watch it in English. Once I did a little research on the show, I knew this nail set would be so fun because the character has different personalities basically, and he splits into different elements. So this nail set is an elemental nail set. And there's no way I could do this nail set without telling you guys a little bit about the show and what I found, what I wrote down in my notes. BoBoiBoy is a Malaysian animated superhero series, and it first premiered in 2011, and it has become one of Southeast Asia's most popular animated franchises. The story follows BoBoiBoy, who gains an elemental superpowers after meeting a small robot. Along with his friends, he uses his powers like lightning, wind, earth, sea, all elemental, to fight colorful alien villains who are trying to come and steal an important energy source in the show's universe. The show is classified as an action comedy, so I do think it would be pretty good for kids to watch. I did watch a little bit of the show here on YouTube. I didn't watch like a bunch of episodes, just a little bit to try to get a little bit of taste of the show itself so I can come and talk to you guys about it. But most of my research was done just by Googling and looking up some wiki pages. You know how they have like the fan wikis of people who write about the TV shows and the characters and things like that. So I did a nail to represent each of the elements. And there are 7 elements, and they are thunder, water, wind, fire, leaf, earth, and light. So those are the 7 elements. And then I did one nail with the show's logo, and then the 2 pinkies, I just left them plain. And while researching, I found that BoBoiBoy's powers, they don't stay the exact same throughout the entire series. They actually evolve into stronger forms, and it reminded me of like Pokemon. You know how Pokemon, they have their regular form and then they can evolve, and some of them evolve even more after that. That's kind of how BoBoiBoy's powers are. So you have thunder, which turns into lightning, water, which turns into ice, wind, which turns into a cyclone, fire turns into blaze, leaf turns into thorn, earth turns into quake, and light turns into solar. So each one evolves as he kind of progresses throughout the story and gets stronger to be able to fight these aliens. And that's the first thing I thought of. I thought of Pokemon. I was like, oh, this is very similar to Pokemon's evolving, and I thought that was like, you know, a cool touch to the show. So I tried to base this set off of the elements. And like I said, when I first got the request, I was just kind of like, well, what is this show? And when I researched it and I saw all of what the show is about and how his personalities kind of go into different elements to help him fight these aliens and, you know, save the earth or protect the earth, I thought that it would be awesome to just do a set. It's an elemental nail set, basically all of the elements. I haven't done a nail set like this before, and I thought about looking up some stamping plates. I think Sandra Sparkley sets, I remember seeing her use a Maniology stamping plate, and it had like a cyclone on it and there was rain and things like that. I thought about getting that, but I decided not to because first of all, it wouldn't have came on time. I wanted to get this video filmed and I wanted to try to draw it out myself, and maybe I'll still get that stamping plate at some point. There's also another stamping plate, a set or a series of weather related stamping plates on Amazon that aren't Maniology. So if you want to check that out, you can. I'll link it below. I didn't use any stamping in this video, but I'll link that set below if you're interested. This nail right here is for the fire element, and I wanted to do a lava design. So I had purchased some crackle gel polish off Amazon, and it was inexpensive, and it was a gel polish. I should have just bought a regular crackle polish, if you guys remember crackle polishes way back when, because the gel one, I couldn't get it to work. There were mixed reviews. There were reviews of some people showing their nails and it cracked perfectly fine, and then there were other reviews of people saying that they couldn't get it to work. It didn't crack the way I wanted it to, so I just drew out these black blobs, and then in between I went in with a bright yellow and a little bit more of the orange to try to give it like there's lava under the ground, like the ground cracked and you can see lava beneath it. So you guys let me know if I achieved that look or not. And if you yourself have ever watched the show or heard of the show BoBoiBoy, definitely let me know in the comments below if you like it, if you don't like it. The show ran for a while, and I believe there's 2 movies, and I think you can watch the movies right here on YouTube if you wanted to. It's definitely a really cute kids show, so if you do have children, I would suggest, letting them watch it. They do have it in multiple languages because the show is so popular. It is dubbed in many different languages. And this is actually one of my favorite nail sets that I've done so far, like to date, as far as the lifetime of this channel goes. I started regularly making content in 2024, and this is probably my favorite one that I've done so far. So thank you so much for the request. I had a lot of fun trying to think of designs to draw this up and actually executing the design. I think I did pretty good with matching it to what I drew, and it helped me be a lot of creative, because I've been kind of like in a creative funk. Like, I don't know what to post, you know what I mean, as far as like trying to think of designs. I have certain things on my channel, like my Pinterest series and my trial and nail series, that I do every month, so I don't really have to think about those. But the other 2 videos of the month, I'm just like, what do I want to do? Because I feel like everything's been done, nothing's new. So if you want to ever request a design, then definitely leave it in the comments below and I will add it to my calendar. I can't make any promises about when it will get filmed and uploaded, but I'll definitely add it to my calendar. I have 2 more subscriber request videos that I need to work on, and those are going to be really fun too. One of them I think is going to be pretty difficult. It's going to take a lot of drawing, unless I could find me some good stamping plates. So I have to see, because if I don't have to draw it out, then that works for me. And this video is sped up a little bit over 2 times speed. So if you have any questions about products that I'm using, if you need me, maybe you missed it, if I showed a bottle but you missed it because it went too fast or something like that, just leave me a comment and I'll let you know where it was purchased or drop you a link if you're interested. This nail is the Cyclone nail, and I finally found a reason to use these nail art pens. I got sent these a few months ago via TikTok. So when you get sent something from a brand and they do it through TikTok shop, then you have, I think it's like 14 days to do a video or go live showing the product. So I did the video showing the product. I think I did 2 videos, and then I put these up and I never touched them again. And they are really good pens. They say nail art pens on them. There are many different brands that make these exact pens that look in the same packaging, everything, but they're just regular like acrylic markers. So you can go into like Michael's or any art supply store and get these pens. It doesn't have to specifically say nail art pens. They're just acrylic markers and they just air dry. So this right here is the earth nail, and don't judge my continents. I tried my best, but of course they don't look super accurate, but the actual globe isn't super accurate either. So don't judge them. So I'm gonna let you guys finish watching the video. It's about halfway done, unless I have to like jump back in and clarify something or explain something that I'm doing. But I should just come back at the end to show you the final nail set, and I think you guys are gonna really like it. I really love how these turned out. Like I said, it's my favorite set, or one of my favorite sets. Has to be at least top 5 that I've done ever since making content here on YouTube. And I really hope that subscriber that requested this nail set loves it as much as I do. And if you've made it this far in the video and you haven't hit the like button already, then why not? It's free. Go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, share this video, hype this video, all of the things. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe at least. So this is the final nail design. I hope you guys love this design or this set as much as I do. So we have all of the elements that are part of the TV show. We have light, fire, wind, earth, leaf, and thunder. I hope you all love this nail set. And I also did the little logo, the BoBoiBoy logo. And yeah, I sketched the logo out first before I actually put color on the nail. But let me know what you think of this nail set, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hype, all of the good things. And yeah, I really love this nail set. I'm really glad that I did 10 nails, because if I ever wanted to actually wear them, then I could, because most of the time I just do half sets, you guys know. But if I wanted to actually wear these, I could, and I would 100% wear these out. For the pinkies, I just did a purple and I put some glitter from Ball Pit Nails on top. This nail set didn't have any purple in it at all, so I just added the purple. I felt like the purple was more fitting than adding a pink, because you know I would have just added pink. I love pink, but I think the purple went better with it. But let me know what you think, or what you would have done with those last 2 nails that, you know, didn't have an element to put on there. I definitely wasn't going to try to draw out the character, because that would have been extremely difficult to do and it would have taken me forever. But thank you so much for being here, so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you, or you'll see me in the next one. Follow me on all my socials. Everything is in the description box. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below and I'll be glad to link you any products. Bye guys.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.